Hello everyone, did you study well at school? Can you solve this challenge? 6 minus 4 divided by 6 minus 4. Right here we have only 3 options. So right now let's test our school knowledge, let's test our algebra skill. Write your solution down into the comment section. What do you think is the correct answer to this challenge? And you will be shocked about the correct answer because this is a very tricky challenge and a lot of students make this mistake. So right now let's test our knowledge, let's test our algebra skill, let's check our answers in the end of the video. It will be really interesting. So here's our question, 6 minus 4 divided by 6 minus 4. And a lot of students might be saying, okay, Mr. This is the easiest challenge, subtraction, division, so I learned this stuff in the 3rd grade, so that's fantastic. So right now let's for example solve it. I want to show you this first interpretation because a lot of students solve this question like that. What do we have right here? 6 minus 4 divided by 6 minus 4. This is our first interpretation. A lot of students say, okay, 6 minus 4 right here equal to 2, 6 minus 4 right here equal to 2, and for example with this division in the middle we have 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. And a lot of students say, okay, this is a great solution. We have this option A. A lot of students solve this question like that. But in terms of math, we need to know what is the correct order to do this problem, because just agree with me that it doesn't matter whatever science right here, there's biology, chemistry, we need to know what is the correct approach to do the things, okay? Like we have a question, like we have a topic that we need to learn, we need to know what is the correct approach to do this problem. And in terms of math, absolutely the same thing. We can't solve this challenge absolutely randomly. We need to know what is the correct order to do the problem, correct approach, correct property. And exactly in this case, we need to know what is the correct order of operation. For example, let's look at this PEMDAS order of operation. This is the most popular order of operation in the world. All internet libraries, so also all most popular internet libraries, graphing calculators, works according to this PEMDAS. And right now, in this second interpretation, let's solve this challenge according to PEMDAS. So 6 minus 4 divided by 6 minus 4. Okay, let's solve this challenge according to this PEMDAS order of operations. So how does this PEMDAS works? PEMDAS works from the top to the bottom. So first we should evaluate the expression inside parentheses. For example, if we have parentheses, we need to evaluate this expression at first. Next, we should evaluate exponents. Next, we should evaluate multiplication, division group. And the last step is addition and subtraction group. So higher position means higher priority. Parentheses at first, addition and subtraction as our last step. Okay, so right now let's scan what do we have right here. First step is parentheses. Let's scan where do we have parentheses. I don't think of those, we don't have any parentheses, so we just skip this part. What about exponents? Maybe 6 square, 4 cube. I don't think of those, we don't have any power, so we just skip this part. We don't have any exponents. Next step, multiplication division group. This is one common group. A lot of students forget about this and they say, okay, multiplication first, then division. But in terms of PEMDAS, multiplication division have the same priority. So right now let's scan. Where do we have multiplication division part? Let's look at it. Yeah, we have division part right here. So as you can see, completely different step as we solved it before, because before we subtracted at first, which is really great. So in our case, division is our first step and we don't have multiplication. Let's do this. Let's divide. So what do we have right here? 6 minus 4 divided by 6. We can write it as a fraction. Let's do that. Let's write it as 2 over 3. So this is 4 over 6. And we cancel numerator and denominator by 2. And we have 2 over 3. And minus 4. And right now, really easy challenge because we have all the time subtraction. We have subtraction right here. And subtraction, this is our subtraction. This is our last step. So we have right here, we have subtraction. This is our last step, our subtraction, and we don't have addition. So very basic subtraction. You don't need this order of operation. Yeah, we can easily solve this challenge. We can easily solve this subtraction. So let's do this. So our common denominator right here will be 3. Yeah, and we have right here, what do we have right here? 3. We have 3 times 6. We have 18. 18 minus 2 minus 12, which is equal to 4 over 3. So 4 over 3, and it looks like this is a correct answer to this challenge. This is option C, but a lot of students confused. They say, okay, right here we have option A, option C, but which one is correct? Option A or option C? This is really important moment because a lot of students, maybe 99% choose this option A, which is absolutely wrong. Because right here we solve this challenge absolutely randomly. We subtract at first, then we divide it, which is really bad thing in terms of math. This is a great solution with parentheses. So if you have parentheses right here, then this is a great solution. Because with parentheses right here at first we subtracted inside parentheses because parentheses has the highest priority. And next we subtract it right here. So subtraction, and in the last step we have division. So with parentheses, correct answer is A. We have 1. But in our case, we don't have parentheses, so forget about this option A, which is absolutely wrong. Correct answer is option C, division, then subtraction in a strict order from left to right. So the correct answer is option C. I hope you understand this explanation. You can also check this answer in your calculator, in your regular calculator, but this is a very tricky moment because a lot of students plug in this challenge in regular calculator. For example, they plug in 6 minus 4, and those type of calculators sometimes gives you 2, yeah, because the calculator doesn't know what do you have further. For example, we have like division, subtraction, you need to plug in the whole entire problem, and then your calculator is smart enough to know about order of operations, so just remember about it. So thank you for your time, have a great day, I hope you understand this explanation, I hope you learned something new, but definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. Also write the thoughts down into the comment section, write your suggestion down into the comment section, it will be really interesting to read about it. So thank you for your time, have a great day, see you in the next videos.